Yes, good morning to all of you. Myself Mahesh Jagdish Pingle, lecturer Electronics Engineering, Government Polytechnic Ambad. In our previous lecture, we have discussed the modulation index, percentage modulation, over modulation, linear modulation, which is also called as the under modulation. Now, in our today's lecture, we are going to discuss the 4 different cases of modulation index. So, let us have a look for the case 1. Case 1 indicates that if the percentage of m is less than 100%, means that if the value of m is less than 1, what should be the amplitude modulated waveform, or how to draw the amplitude modulated waveform. So at this particular case, if percentage modulation is less than 100% or m is less than 1, then the waveform looks like this one. So whatever the lowest peak level, it will never touch to the x-axis if m is less than 1. So on x-axis it is time. So this is unmodulated carrier up to this particular point, because the modulating signal is 0. As soon as modulating signal starts changing its amplitude, as per the instantaneous change in amplitude of the modulating signal, carrier also starts changing, and we will get a waveform like this one. So it is a 0 point. This is peak amplitude EC. This is the upper voltage level EC plus EM, and this is the lower voltage level, it is EC minus EM, and whatever the waveform, it is called as envelope. So this is a waveform for percentage m less than 100% or m is less than 1. So case 1, right? Now in case 2, what we are saying that if the percentage m is equal to 100% or if m is equal to, that is modulation index is equal to 1, at that time the waveforms are drawn like this way, and we are also observing the same kind of signal on CRO also. So at that time, whatever the lower voltage level, it will touch to the x-axis. So if we draw the carrier will change the amplitude, its amplitude as per the instantaneous change in amplitude of the modulating signal by keeping frequency and phase constant. So on x-axis time, so this is a value of EC, unmodulated carrier, because there is no any modulating voltage change level is there, we observe. So this is EC plus EM, and what we observe that the lowest level, voltage level EC minus EM, it will touch to your 0 level, initial level, or the x-axis, time axis. So this particular waveform, it is called as waveform for percentage modulation is equal to 100% or m is equal to 1. At that time, it is also called as AM wave with 100% modulation. AM wave with 100% modulation. Now let us have look for the third case. In case number 3, what we say that the percentage modulation is greater than 100%. It means that the value of M is greater than 1. At that time, as per the previous discussion, what we observe that there is always a over modulation case. So we are observing waveforms like this way. So on x-axis it is time. So carrier changes its amplitude with the instantaneous change in amplitude of the modulating signal by keeping frequency and phase constant. So whatever the lobe we are observing, it is called as distortion in AM wave due to over modulation. Now this particular level, it is called as EC. Now this particular level, it is called as EM. So this situation, it is always labeled as AM with over modulation. AM with over modulation. Now the case number 4 we are going to discuss is that if percentage M is equal to 0% or if the value of M is equal to 0, then if the value of M is 0, it is indication that there is no any modulating signal voltage change. So no any instantaneous change in amplitude of the modulating signal. So carrier does not change its amplitude with respect to the modulating signal. So what we are observing, it is only EC, that is unmodulated carrier, and the waveform it is called as AM wave with M equal to 0. So as we are observing, M is equal to 0%, percentage M is equal to 0% and M is equal to 0. It is the indication that EM is 0, and as EM is 0, there is no instantaneous change in amplitude of the modulating signal. So carrier does not change its amplitude. So whatever the waveform we are observing, it is unmodulated carrier. So it is called as AM with M is equal to 0. So this is all about the 4 cases. M is greater than 1, M is less than 1, M equal to 0 and M equal to 100%. Right? So thank you very much.